Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you all? Hope everyone is fine out there. Myself Tulu Bhaiji. Today we are going to start a new topic that is from Unit 1 1.8 reading time. It must be very interesting. So we'll start. Read aloud. What we have to do? Read aloud. This is my classroom. This is my classroom. Classroom मतलब हम जो क्लास में बैठते हैं. Okay. There is a big blackboard on the wall. Now students, आप बोलेंगे where is the blackboard written? So here the picture is. You have to understand what they have written. There is a big blackboard on the wall. You have seen, आप लोग ने देखे होंगे बिग ब्लैक सा ब्लैक बोर्ड रहता है ना आप लोग के सामने जिसपे टीचर्स राइट करती है एंड यू कॉपी इट डाउन. ओके, सो दैट इज अ बिग ब्लैक बोर्ड. आवर टीचर राइट्स ऑन इट विथ अ चॉक. क्या करते टीचर? राइट्स ऑन इट विथ अ चॉक. यू नो इट वेरी वेल. ब्लैक बोर्ड पे किससे लिखा जाता है? Chalk से. Yes. What the teacher uses to write? Chalk. Where is the chalk here? Yes, chalk. The teacher has a table to keep her books on. Yes, you have seen this too. Table is there, cannot? Okay, the teacher has a table. Blackboard के सामने एक टेबल रहता है ना टीचर जिस पे बुक्स रखते हैं. ओके, तो वो द टीचर हैज़ अ टेबल to keep her books on. She also has a chair to sit on. What? Yes, she also has a chair to sit on. Students, you have seen the chair too. Teachers chairs पे बैठते हैं ना, टेबल रहता है, then chairs रहता है. You have seen all this. She is busy the whole day. Yes, she is busy the whole day to teaching you, to guide you, okay, to make you a good student. We have bench to sit on and desk to keep our books on. What we have? What you have? See, you have a bench. हम जिस पे बैठते हैं उसको क्या बोलते हैं? बेंच. वी हैव अ बेंच टू सिट ऑन. बैठते हैं ना तो उसे बेंच बोलते. एंड अ डेस्क. डेस्क मीन्स जिस पे हम बुक्स रखते हैं उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? डेस्क. तो ये तो आपको मालूम है. यू नो इट ऑल. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, where are you sitting in the class? You are sitting on a bench. Okay, and you have a desk too to keep your books on it. Okay, to keep your books on it. A classroom has a door and two windows. Yay, very nice. You all know it very well. Do your classroom has a window and door? Yes. Every classroom has a door and every classroom has a window. Maybe one भी हो सकता है, two भी हो सकता है. Okay, लेकिन windows and door every classroom is having. There are many charts on the wall. What? There are many charts. आप लोग बना के लाते हो ना, कोई भी charts बना के लाते हो, then हम stick कर देते हैं wall पे. So there are many charts on the wall जिससे हमें पता चलता है yeah this time this activity, that time that activity. The chart displays children's work on various topics. Very nice it is. आप लोग इतने प्यार से charts बना के लाते हो on various topics, on various activities. Okay, so we just stick on the wall. A teacher also show us short films, songs and story with the help of projector. Children, you might be knowing it very well of the projector. It's in the computer room. Whenever there is a free lecture or any special day, teachers take you to the computer lab. Yes, and you know the projector. एज यू सीन दी प्रोजेक्टर, जो प्रोजेक्टर है, जो वाइट बोर्ड है, तो कोई भी फिल्म्स, शॉर्ट फिल्म्स, सॉन्ग्स एंड स्टोरीज वो डायरेक्टली बोर्ड पे डिस्प्ले होता है. इट इज़ फन टू वॉच द फिल्म. यस, आप लोग बहुत एंजॉय करते हो जब प्रोजेक्टर पे लगाते हैं, हम स्टोरीज़ लगाते हैं या फिर कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग थीम्स रहती है, कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग मतलब वेज रहता है, कम्युनिकेशंस रहता है, तो आप लोग बहुत ही एंजॉय करते हो. There is a cupboard near the wall. Is there is any cupboard in your classroom, children? Yes, there is a cupboard. Every classroom has cupboard. We keep our material there. What do you keep there? You keep your material there. You keep your books there. There is a dustbin in the corner. Every classroom has dustbin. Dustbin. Where is the dustbin? It's in the corner. Whatever the dust, whatever the papers, whatever the rubbish things are there, we put in the dustbin. Okay, whatever the rubbish are there, we throw in the dustbin. As you all know, throw your rubbish in a dustbin. As we keep our classroom clean. Very nice. My students are very clever. My students are very nice. They always keep their classroom clean by throwing all their rubbish in a dustbin, as well as they keep their house very clean. Right, students? Okay. We'll go to the first one. Draw a picture of the things in your classroom. Okay. What we have to do? You have to draw the pictures of all the things whatever you see in your classroom. Second one. B. Describe the classroom in a 5 sentence with the words given below. Here the words is given here. You have to describe your classroom in a 5 sentence. ये जो words जो दिए हुए हैं, you have to describe your classroom. Okay. As for example, you can use it. There is a blackboard on the wall. The chalk is used by a teacher to write. The table is there to keep the books. The chair is to sit. The benches and desks are for the students to sit and write. The door is there in the classroom. Okay, students? So moving on to the next one. Look and say. You have to look the words carefully, then you have to say with me. BOARD board. BOARD board. Blackboard या white board जिस पे हम write करते हैं. CHALK. What does it mean? Chalk. चॉक जिससे ब्लैक बोर्ड पे लिखा जाता है. TABLE टेबल. टेबल, यू मस्ट बी नोइंग द टेबल. टेबल जिस पे हम बुक्स रखते हैं, एनीथिंग जिस पे हम रखते हैं उसे हम टेबल बोलते हैं. CHAIR चेयर. चेयर मतलब जिसे भी हम कुर्सी, चेयर पे बैठते हैं. BENCHES benches. What is this benches? Students, जो हम बेंच पे बैठते हैं ना, उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? बेंच. जो हम सीट पे बैठते हैं आपके लिए जो है स्कूल में, उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? बेंच. DESKS डेस्क. What does the desk means? जिस पे हम बुक्स रख के राइट करते हैं, that is called desk. BOOKS books. BOOKS, in which you write or learn or read, that is called books. DOOR door. Door means darwaza. VINDOWS. VINDOWS windows. Windows means खिड़की. CUPBOARD cupboard. Cupboard means हमारा जो कबोर्ड में जो हम क्लोथ्स रखते हैं, कुछ भी इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ें रखते हैं, अलमारी जैसा हम बोलते हैं, अलमीरा बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में, ऐसा उसे कबोर्ड बोलते हैं. DUSTBIN डस्टबिन. डस्टबिन में जो भी हमारे वेस्ट की चीज़ें हैं, जो भी कचरा है, हम वो डस्टबिन में डालते हैं ना, तो डैट इज़ कॉल्ड डस्टबिन. So students, I think you understood the topic very well and you understand the words very well. So you have to write these two things in your notebook. The first is B1. Describe your classroom in 5 sentences with the words given below. You have to describe your classroom in 5 sentences. Okay. And the second is this hard words. This 11 hard words should be write 3 times each in your notebook. So students, till then take care, stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.